Yes, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Just want to show you a trick that is actually going to brighten your day today. Say you have a worksheet or a model that has so many worksheets, and you're just trying to search for that specific worksheet. This is what you do. Just take your cursor here, right click, then just type. For example, you want to check on Lusaka. Just type L. Again, keep on pressing L until you go to Lusaka. If you want to check on Kalabo, type K, press K again. It will take you to K, to Kalabo. If you're looking for Choma, just press C, it takes you there. Then enter. Then yeah, in Choma. Thank you, and bye-bye.